Hello guys, we are cooking chicken curry today. This is my chicken. It's actually 4 pieces of chicken quarter, and I already seasoned it with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I put 1 to 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Alright guys, so we're gonna brown it. We're gonna slightly brown it before we put all our ingredients. The pot is still cold. Give it a couple of minutes. So while we're waiting for that oil to heat up, I'm gonna show you our ingredients. We have 3 pieces of potatoes here, medium size. This is poblano peppers. You can use green peppers. 1 large carrots, and I'm just gonna use the half of the large onion. Of course, we need a curry powder and a coconut milk. Okay. So I'm starting to turn over the chicken, slightly brown now. I'm gonna add tablespoon of curry powder while we're frying it, so we have this really infused flavor of the cumin. Curry powder. I'm going to put it in a medium temperature. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. There's going to be a lot of liquid will come out of the chicken, so we don't want to put our coconut milk, and then it's going to become soupy. So give it about 5 minutes. Let's check it, guys. It's not 5 minutes yet. I just checking it right now. It's only about 2 minutes. Yeah, so liquid start coming out of the chicken. Cover it back. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna put the hard vegetable, which is the potato and the carrot. I want that to cook also along with our chicken. Alright guys. So there's no blood coming out of the chicken now. And I add additional tablespoon of curry powder. And the chicken is about 60% done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add coconut milk. I'm just gonna estimate it, guys. This is kakangata, the pure coconut milk. Alright. It's not coconut cream, but you can use coconut cream. Let's put a little bit more. Yeah, don't cover it so your coconut milk is not gonna get what was the word for it? Coagulated. I don't know if that's the right word. But anyway, yeah, so let's simmer your chicken here. So basically until it gets done, and then we're gonna put our onion and bell pepper. Okay guys, welcome back. So our curry has actually been simmering for 15 minutes now. I put in high temperature. So now it's thicker. I tasted it. It seems like it needs some salt. I think I'll leave it like that. It's very mild taste of salt, but you know, not everybody likes salty, but you can adjust it how salty you want it. So since the sauce is already thick, we're gonna add our onions and the bell pepper. We just want that half cooked. Okay, so basically this is done, guys. This is our chicken curry, Filipino style, with coconut milk. Got hiccups. Okay, give it about 2 to 3 minutes. The onion and bell pepper actually wilted a little bit, and should be ready to serve, guys. See, the sauce is thickened. Yummy. Okay, guys, here's the rest of our chicken curry, Filipino style chicken curry. And this is our plating, guys. This is ready to eat. So hope you guys like this recipe. Make it and let me know if you like it. So enjoy my recipe, guys. Filipino chicken curry style. Bye. See you next vlog.